अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूं मोहम्मद सकलैन। आप देख रहे हैं यूट्यूब चैनल। डियर व्यूअर, एफपीएससी फेडरल पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन में जॉब्स का ऐलान हो चुका है। अगर आप चैनल पर आए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और साथ में बेल आइकन के बटन को भी प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि हर आने वाली नई इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो आप तक बआसानी पहुंच सके। चलें वीडियो की जानिब बढ़ते हैं। साइकोट्रेस्ट BS-17 Permanent Anti-Narcotics Force, Ministry of Narcotics Control. Minimum qualifications: MBBS or equivalent qualification recognized by PMDC. Total vacancies: 1 place of posting anywhere in Pakistan. उसके बाद डिप्टी डायरेक्टर टेक्निकल BS-18 temporary likely to continue. Minimum qualification: second class or grade C, master or bachelor degree, 16 years education. Number of vacancies: 2 place of posting in Islamabad. Physical training instructor female BS-16 में. Education qualification: second class or grade C, master degree in health and physical education or equivalent degree. Number of vacancies: 8 place of posting anywhere in Pakistan. Associate professor female BS-19. Number of vacancies: 4 place of posting anywhere in Pakistan plus 5 years experience. उसके बाद डिप्टी कंजर्वेटर वाइल्ड लाइफ इन्वेंट्री BS-18. मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन: MSc in zoology, under degree equivalent diploma in forestry wildlife management. Age limit 25 to 35 plus 5 years experience. Punjab open merit. Place of posting in Islamabad. Open vacancies 1. Assistant draftsman BS-18. Age limit 25 से 35 plus 5 years general age relaxation. Number of vacancies 2. Secondary school teacher male BS-17. बहुत बड़ी jobs 52 jobs. Second class or grade C, master degree with B.Ed or equivalent qualifications. MA, M.Ed, MA education. Number of vacancies 52. Assistant Garrison Engineer Subdivisional. Number of vacancies 1. BSc Civil Engineering from University recognized by HEC. Security Supervisor BS-16. Number of vacancies 1. Librarian BS-16. Number of vacancies 1. Age limit 20 to 28. Associate Professor English BS-19. Permanent jobs. Number of vacancies 1. Age limit 32 to 40 plus 5 years general relaxation in upper age limit. Place of posting in Murray. Assistant Professor BS-18. Military College Murray. Category in Mathematics 1 and Urdu 1. Age limit 25 to 35 plus 5 years general relaxation. Upper age limit. Number of vacancies 2. Place of posting in Murray. Lecturer Instructor BS-17. Category Biology, Chemistry, Computer Science, English, Islamic Studies, Mathematics, Pakistan Studies, Physics, Urdu. Age limit 22 to 30 plus 5 years general age relaxation. Number of vacancies 13. Place of posting in Murray. Demonstrator BS-16. Number of vacancies 3. Category Biology, Chemistry and Physics. Age limit 20 to 28. Senior Scientific Assistant BS 16. Number of vacancies 1. Lady Director CMP BS 17. Minimum qualification MBBS or equivalent qualification by recognized by Pakistan Medical and Dental Council. Age limit 20 to 28 plus 5 years age relaxation. Lecturer BS 17. Categories English, Mathematics. Urdu. Age limit 22 to 28. Number of vacancies 3. Place of posting in Karachi or Mara. Senior Manager Personnel and Administration Department SMPAD BS 17. Number of vacancies 1. Place of posting in Karachi. Director BS 19. Second class or grade C. Master Bachelor 4 years duration degree. Economics, Commerce, Business Administration, Public Administration, Public Policy. Number of vacancies 3. Observance of Journal Instruction. Application fees. The rate of fee structure BS 16 to 17 300. BS 18 के लिए 750. BS 19 के लिए 1200 and BS 20 1500. Relaxation in upper age limit. Male and female. Male के लिए 5 years and female के लिए 8 years. Short listening criteria for interview. Candidate will be shortlisted for interview as per policy for commission contained in para 16 A, B and C of Journal Instruction. Matric, Intermediate Certificate, Bachelor. 2 photographies. Bachelor, Master, MPhil, PhD degrees, CNAC experience certificate where required for showing nature of jobs, detailed jobs, certificate, departmental permission certificate, and within 15 days notice from FPSC by post, SMS and email. Change of center. Candidate are allowed to avail facilities of change of examination center only through in line requested at least 1 month before. Online application की लास्ट डेट 22 अप्रैल 2024 यानी 22 अप्रैल 2024.